Okay, we are starting our next essay. We just have a few more left. And our next essay is going to be a compare and contrast essay between the two books that we have read / are reading, The Life We Bury and Miseducated. So you will need to have both read before you dive deep into this essay. If you haven't read those books, finish watching this video and then get to it. So we started the book Miseducated last week. It's right here, Miseducated. And we're going to write a compare and contrast essay about that. This video is just going to tell you about that assignment, what I'm expecting from you, what the essay prompt is, and then I'll record another video about outlining and pre-writing that you'll watch this week. Okay, so let's look at that prompt. All right, so this is a compare and contrast essay due November 1st. The rough draft will have one-on-ones next week, and then our final draft will be due the next week. So what you're going to do is in a 600 to 800 word essay, compare and or contrast themes in the books Miseducated and The Life We Bury. Some themes you can explore are education, family, fatherhood, access, grit. So anything in those, if you have a different theme that you want to talk about, you can include that too. If you have a question about a theme that you might want to use, let me know. But we're not comparing just characters or setting or anything like that. I want you to analyze a theme, and then you're going to compare and contrast how the two books address that theme. Okay, so compare and contrast essays are a little bit tricky, and I want to go ahead and set you up for success by giving you the two formulas for structures for compare and contrast essays. So what you can do is you can set it up like this first example, and my example will be like this. But you have your 3 points, right? The 3 ways that you're proving that these two books talk about the themes, or maybe the 3 elements of the theme that you're talking about. Again, you'll see more when I show you my example in a little bit, but we'll do inside each body paragraph, you'll do evidence from the first book and then evidence from the second book. Second point, evidence from the first book, evidence for the second book. So you're addressing both things that you're comparing and or contrasting in each body paragraph. Alternatively, you could set it up so that you address point 1, 2, and 3 in your body paragraph 1, and then point 1, 2, and 3 in your body paragraph 2. This format will just have 4 paragraphs. So you'll have intro, body 1, body 2, conclusion. Okay, so those are the 2 formats that you can use for this essay, and I will record another video that talks about what my pre-writing and outlining look like. So let me know if you have any questions.